Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So take a look at this WTI CRUDE. We want to see where the analysis will move for 29th of November. Right. I actually did analysis for the 20th. I told you guys that we'll be seeing this WTI CRUDE to drop further to a level of 75. Right. At least we want to see it tap this candlestick. This is our prediction. Guess what? Price actually came to the level and also broke below it. So like I told you guys, once price can come to this level, right, we'll be expecting to see a pullback. Possibly once price comes to this level of 35, where price has gone to previously, we would want to see a pullback. After the pullback, then we would continue our bearish move, right? Guess what? Price actually came to our level that we talked about, which is a level of 75, right? And it actually broke below it. It went further down. I think it went to a level of 74 before it starts giving us a pullback. Now, currently we are on a pullback level. So this bearish move on WTI CRUDE is definitely not over. So this is a confirmation that this WTI CRUDE is now on a bearish move. So we are currently on a pullback level. So let's see if this pullback level will be over before we continue our bearish move. So one of the reasons why I said that is that if you take a look at this trend, right, you see that this is clearly a bearish move. You can see the lower lows and the lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. We saw price came to this level about last week. It actually came to this level that we once talked about. We want to see it come to this level, right? Last week it came to the level, broke below it, right? So this week price has actually gotten to this level, a level of 75 we once talked about. Price has actually broken below it, broken below it. So we are now on a pullback level. So once this pullback level is over, then you would not be expecting a bearish move. So this WTI would continue to go bearish, possibly to a level of 73, right? So we are currently trading at level of 77. Reason is that we are on a pullback level. So once you see the full trend on this WTI you see that this is a bearish move. Price is dropping, right? Price has actually broken this key level here. This is an indication that price is on a bearish move. Price broke this level, went to a level of 75. Guess what again? It's dropped again to a level of 74. Confirmation that we are bearish. Secondly is that this price is below our moving average. We all know that once the price is above and below our moving average, then it is a sell. We have to short it. So the WTI CRUDE is still sell. So now let's see what this 4-hour time frame actually says. So this is a 4-hour time frame, so we would want to see the trend light, right? To be able to place trade, right, to be able to buy or sell, we would want to take a look at the trend. So what does the trend of 4-hour time frame says? Simple, bearish move. Trend is downward, right? You can see the lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So currently we saw that this price actually dropped to this level that we once talked about. I told you guys about, right? Let's see it here. So price came to this level, right? Which I told you guys that possibly if price come to this level, we'd be expecting a pullback at this level, then a continuous bearish move. But guess what? Price actually broke below this level, right? Not far fetched. Then price is giving us a pullback. So once this pullback is over, right, we would be expecting another drop on this WTI CRUDE. So WTI CRUDE just be expecting a drop. So where will this pullback be over? Well, I think the pullback should be over at the level of 80. It should come to a level of 80. I'm not really sure where the pullback will be over, right? But I think it should be over at this level of 80, or possibly should not even get there, which I believe it should not get there. But once the pullback is over, anyhow, it is we would want to take this drop. So before you actually place this trade and once the pullback is over, to know if this pullback is over, the best thing I would just say is wait for multiple break of structure downward on the 30-minute time frame. So let's see what this 30-minute time frame actually says. Okay, so this is the 30-minute time frame, right? The 30-minute time frame is still giving us an uptrend move. Possibly when you see lower lows, lower highs, maybe if this price can come up, take out this highs that we are talking about, which is a level of 80, and we see something like lower lows, lower highs, right? We see lower lows that break this previous lows, and we see a pullback for its lower highs. Then you can enter to short this WTI CRUDE downward to a level of 76 or 75 again. You need to take out these lows again. So the best time to we would want to short this WTI CRUDE, we want to continue to go bearish, but we need to get a confirmation, and one of those confirmation is lower lows, lower highs, once you are seeing multiple break or structure downward. Secondly, once the price is below the moving average, then these are the two confirmation that I can tell you guys to actually confirm or check out before you actually short this. So back to the 4 hour time frame. So this 4 hour time frame, you can take a look at this. Let's start the movements from here. You can see these lows, and here would be the correction. Let's take a look at these lows. So we should have a correction on WTI crude oil. So if in case price will continue to push up, well, which I think would happen, then we should see it reject at this level of 80. Then price should actually drop further down, which I strongly believe would happen. So price can actually come give us a pullback at this level. So do not be surprised if you have the pullback at this level. So, but I think it will actually get to a level of 80 before we continue the bearish move downward on WTI crude oil.